Hey, what's up everybody? This is Ben from Elite Welding Academy, and we got a big announcement for you. On April 11, 2026, we're gonna be hosting our second annual welding competition right here at the Cincinnati campus. Not only is this event designed for high school welding students, but it's designed for anybody and everybody who is interested in welding. This event is completely free for you to attend, and not only that, but there's gonna be a ton of giveaways with all of our great sponsors that are helping making this event possible. Here's some clips from last year's competition. So even if you think you can't win, there's still something in it for anybody and everybody that comes and participates. The first 100 people to register the day of the event are gonna get a $1,000 voucher that they can use towards their tuition cost if they enroll at Elite Welding Academy. And for those of you out there that are very competitive, first place is gonna get a full scholarship to Elite Welding Academy. Second place will get 50% off all their tuition costs. And third place will get 25% off all their tuition costs. And remember, the spots for this event are limited, so you must RSVP. Links are in the bio, and we'll see you on April 11th.